To help faculty get started quickly, we provide a blank course template that can be used as a foundation for any Blackboard Ultra course. This template includes a basic structure that supports consistent navigation and organization for students. In this video, we'll take a look at what is included in the template and discuss how faculty can customize it with their own course materials. This is what a course template looks like. This is a blank version. And this course template comes in 8 and 16 modules. If you need a copy of this course template copied over to your live sections or different sections, just email the Blackboard admin and this version will be copied over to your live section. Now let's take a look at what this blank template looks like. When you get a copy of this template into your course shell, you will see that we have a Start Here module. This module includes a Start Here page. When you click it, you can edit this page, add a little introductory message here, add your course number, your course title, and if you want to add a welcome video, you can upload a welcome video here as well. And this page basically tells the student how to start their course. We have tutorials here that help students, show students how to submit an assignment in Blackboard, how to submit a discussion forum, how to take a quiz in Blackboard. And we also have a generic course layout video that explains the whole course layout to a student. So that's the Start Your page, and then we have an area where the instructor can add the syllabus to the course. So you can just drag and drop your syllabus here or upload it using the File Upload button. And if you want, you can enable the introduction discussion forum. We have a generic language here. For students, this forum can be used by students to introduce themselves to each other. But if you don't want this, you can delete this forum. So that's the Start Here module. We have a My Textbooks and Materials page. This module contains a My Materials link. When a student clicks this link, it'll take them to their ebook shelf. Then we have our modules. So since this is a 8 module template, we have 8 modules here. But as mentioned earlier, if you want the 16 version, we can add that to your course as well. Let's go to module 1. Every module has a similar layout. We have the overview, which contains information about the module, basically introducing the students to the module. So you can add your module title here, you can add a welcome message or a video over here, and then if you want, you can add your learning outcomes to the modules. And then this 2 headers here basically gives them directions on what they need to do to successfully complete this module. It tells them, all right, for this module, you have to do your discussion, which is here, your assignment, it's over here, or your quiz, that's over here. Once again, you do not have to follow this format. If you have 3 discussions, you can add 3 discussions here. If you have multiple assignments, you can list them out here. But the overview page is basically like a map for the students on how to complete a module. So that's the overview page. Let's take a look at our readings and materials page. And by the way, you can access all these pages and folders via the Content tab, or once you're in any of these pages within the module, you can access the folder and the discussion forums and the assignments using the left-hand nav bar. Sometimes it might be collapsed, so just make sure it's expanded here. Next up, we'll go to the discussion forum. So your discussion forum looks something like this. You can edit this, add your overview, your directions over here, and save it. And you can go into the settings, set up your points, your due dates, add a rubrics if you want. And once you're done, you will save it. And we have an assignment placeholder as well. Same thing, you can edit the assignments, add your directions here, and add the assignment settings here by clicking on the gear icon and hit save. And then we have a placeholder for a quiz. You can use this placeholder to add questions to the quiz, and as you're adding questions and adding points, it'll update over here as well. So once again, to summarize, these are just placeholders. You're not obligated to use them. Let's say if I don't have a quiz in module 1, I can just go ahead and delete the quiz, or I can delete the discussion. And similarly, if I have more assignments, I can just add more assignments by clicking the plus sign, create, and I can add assignments, I can add a form, I can add discussions or tests, which are quizzes in this case. And similarly, all the other modules are laid out as such. There you go, module 2, module 3. And if you notice, I assign 0 points to each, and that's because when we go to our gradebook, we will notice that there are already placeholders for each assignment items. If you delete them from the content area, they will go away from here. The whole idea behind this template is to create less work for the faculty. That way they're not creating every item from scratch. Everything, all the modules are pre-populated with placeholders. You can use this, or if you don't want to, you can delete it. So that's a basic overview of the course template. As always, if you have any questions, please feel free to email the Blackboard admin.